The group's net profit before exceptional items for the first half of 2024 was 532 million Singapore dollars. Our earnings is robust. This was despite a planned major maintenance for one of our Singapore gas-fired power plants. We were able to reduce the financial impact through our efforts to shorten the maintenance period. Pool prices were lower with the implementation of temporary price caps for the Singapore wholesale prices. Now, in spite of that, we were able to leverage our unique position as an integrated gas and power player and our strong customer base to optimize our commercial position, even when Singapore wholesale prices are low. This proves that our strategy on entering long-term contracts is working and underpins stable cash flow visibility for our group. Since early last year, our strategy has been to enter into long-term power purchase agreements with our customers. Our Singapore gas-fired power portfolio is fully contracted, reducing volatility of earnings and providing strong earnings certainty. Within our gas-fired power portfolio in Singapore, more than 75% of the capacity is contracted to energy-intensive industries, such as data centers and high-tech manufacturing companies. We are also a leading provider of power to data centers in Singapore, capturing a third of the power capacity market share of that sector. Now, with demand from corporate customers, including data centers, expected to be strong, we will build on our portfolio to further secure earnings resiliency. The robust contribution from our gas portfolio provides a strong anchor for our 2024 to 2028 strategy to capture opportunities in Asia's energy transition.
The renewable segment was impacted by lower contribution from China. The weaker economic performance has impacted demand, while there are temporary headwinds due to the macroeconomy. In the long run, substantial investment and strong government support will continue to drive growth in this sector. In the meantime, our diversified portfolio in China mitigates impact. We will continue to be selective, to invest in good quality projects which are near load centers and where there are net importers of renewables power in order to mitigate curtailment risk. The India renewables market is the bright spot this season. We have seen higher tariffs for greenfield projects. There are also quite a number of potential brownfield acquisition opportunities. Sembcorp is very well positioned to ride this wave and grow our portfolio in India. We are confident of our long-term growth and remain committed to growing our renewables business and to achieve our target of 25 gigawatt gross installed renewables capacity by 2028. First and foremost, thank you for being part of Sembcorp's transformation journey. People are the foundation of our success. We want each of us to be well and to do well. Top among priorities is safety. We want each and every one of us and those around us to be safe. Make sure we adhere to safe practices, help each other, remind each other. Every life is precious. Every accident is avoidable. Let's work together to create a safe workplace for all. Next, we want all of us to do well. Sembcorp is growing. Be part of this exciting journey. There are many opportunities for personal and career growth. Invest in yourself. Seek training and development opportunities that can enhance your skills and capabilities. Be proactive when faced with challenges. See them as opportunities. Take time to understand Sembcorp's strategic goals and keep yourself updated on company news, initiatives, and industry trends. This will help you see how your role contributes to the company's overall success. With safe and strong Sembcorp people working together, Sembcorp will grow and achieve greater success.